Today we're gonna test this blade, Bosch multi-material. 30 times more life in this blade than other blades. We're gonna test it with the wood full of nails. 15 gauge nails. Four nails. Let me open this blade. Okay, this is a new Bosch blade for multi-material. We're gonna try it on this piece of trim. Let's see how clean the cut is. Pretty clean and pretty fast. Okay, here's our board with the 4 15 gauge nails. So the nails is 2.5 inches long. As you can see, it passed it all. This is our shiny nails. The blade is looking in pretty good shape. No chips, nothing. Look at good and clean. Do you want to cut that big nail right there? There is a big nail right there. Okay, here's a nail. Okay, let's say we need to cut it. And let's cut it. Wow, impressive. Blade is okay. No tooth missing. Perfect. Let's get the idea. This line, there's the nails. Okay, we touched the corner a bit. I think we cut it through. Blade looks good. Still cutting good. And this is the MDF. on the corner bit, cut through it, cut through the MDF, cut through the drywall, and the blade nice and good, like new. I think it worked good.